Good morning, students. Have a nice day. Welcome to 6th standard English class. I hope all are safe by God's grace. Today we are going to see second midterm test portion and pattern and some of the revised exercise. First second midterm test 2021 portion and pattern. Subject English standard 6th, marks 50 marks, time 1.5 hours, date exam date 30th November 2021. Portion second term book unit 1 prose first prose sports stars first poem teamwork supplementary think to win grammar book back exercises lesson 1 fully composition letter writing exercise number 7 asking permission to visit the factory pattern first one synonyms 5 marks, second one antonyms 5 marks, third one short question answer prose and poem supplementary 10 marks, fourth one paragraph questions prose and poem 5 marks, fifth one identify the character or speaker, this is supplementary exercise 5 mark, sixth one match the sports and the equipment 5 mark, seventh one put the words in correct order 10 marks, 8th one letter writing 5 marks, totally 50 marks. Book exercise, it's page number 91, exercise C. Pick the meaning of the italics word. First one, being compared to Sachin is an absolute privilege. Answer, honor. Second one, the boy was taken by surprise when he learnt about Mithali Durairaj. Answer, amazed. Third one, Usha Rani had to struggle all through her life. Answer, fight. Fourth one, Usha Rani is expert at giving leads. Answer, skilled. Fifth one, no opponent is too big to defeat. Answer, competitor. So, once again revise for the synonyms. First one, privilege, honor. Second one, surprised, amazed. Third one, struggle, fight. Fourth one, expert, skilled. Fifth one, opponent, competitor. Next, page number 92. Opposites. Fill in the blanks with the opposite of the words given in brackets. First one, we should learn from our dash. Question, success. Opposite answer, failure. Second one, children don't like to read dash books. Question, interesting. Opposite, uninteresting. Third one, be dash when you are telling us what you need. Question, general. Opposite answer, specific. Fourth one, the teacher asked the children to dash talking. Question, start. Answer, stop. Fifth one, the new boss decided to dash the lazy workers. Question, appoint. Opposite answer, dismiss. Next, third one, short question answer, prose, poem and supplementary. First, prose, sports stars. Answer the following. First question, when did Usha Rani start playing kabaddi? Answer, as a school child, Usha Rani started playing kabaddi. Second one, what did she sell to support her family? Answer, she sold flowers to support her family. Third one, find out the idiom that relates to whatever the circumstance from the first paragraph. Answer, harmed with her mother's unfulfilled dream is the idiom related to whatever the circumstance. Fourth question, what does Mithali want people to know about her? Answer, as a woman cricketer, she wanted people to know her for her own identity. Fifth question, Who won the silver and the bronze medals in 2017 and 2012 Olympics respectively? Answer. PV Sindhu won the silver medal in 2017 Olympics. Saina Nehwal won the bronze medal in 2012 Olympics. Sixth question. How did Gopi Chand supported a correspondent's opinion about PV Sindhu? Answer. He seconded the correspondent's opinion by saying the most striking feature in Sindhu's game in her attitude and the never say die spirit. Next paragraph question for the first lesson. When and how did Mithali Durairaj start her career as a cricketer? Answer. Mithali Durairaj actually started playing cricket with her brother. When she was young, she used to go with her father to the ground. Though it was a humble start, she managed to secure a name and a place for herself. She broke the traditional barriers that cricket is for men and proved that women are on par with men in every field. Second question. How did Usha Rani become a role model to her brothers and sisters at home and to other sports persons? Answer. Usha Rani was from a poor family girl in Karnataka. She became determined and practiced kabaddi from a young age. She used to sell flowers for her daily living and to support her family. She had to struggle hard all through her life until she became the youngest cop in the Karnataka State Police Force. At the age of 29 years, she won a gold medal in kabaddi. She is now working hard and practicing every day to win the gold medal at the Asian Games in 2018. She has also become the role model to her brothers, sisters, and other fellow sports persons. Third question. How did PV Sindhu manage to balance her passion as well as her academics? Answer. PV Sindhu started playing badminton at the age of 8. Sindhu chose badminton because she drew inspiration from the success of Pulela Gopichand, the 2001 All England Open badminton champion. She managed to attend regular school until class 9th, after which all her classes were through correspondence. She balanced both her passion as well as her academics. Next, poem 1, teamwork. Answer the following question. First question. What qualities are needed to play a game? Answer. Planning, coordination with your teammates, true spirit of the team, setting your mind and will on the goal in front of you, fighting for the team and helping them to score are the qualities needed to play a game. Second question. What helps one win the game? Answer. Working with your running mate, the team spirit, setting your mind and will on the game played, helping your fellow man to score and forgetting self till the game is over helps one to win the game. Third question. How is team spirit created? Answer. Team spirit can be created by recognizing the team players who drive success within any team, treating all of them fairly, trusting them at all items, and creating a right environment for them. Next, appreciation type of question answer. First question. What does it stand for here? Answer. It stands for the teamwork. Next, second question. Write the rhyme scheme for the above lines. The rhyming scheme for the above line is AB, AB. Next question. Whom does they refer to? Answer. They refers to the people around you. Next question. Which line talks about team spirit? Answer. The third line, but you must work with your running mate, talks about the team spirit. Last question. Pick out the rhyming words from the given lines. Answer. The rhyming words are great, mate, fame, game. Next paragraph question. Why is teamwork important? Answer. The poet insists on the teamwork in this poem as it is very important. When we work together as a team, we become more strong and have more confidence. It is good to have courage and talent to achieve something. It is also fine to be counted as a star, but the thrilling single act doesn't tell anyone your abilities. There is no single hand in a game we play. We must work with a team, helping and coordinating with others in the team to achieve something in our life. Only then we will win and achieve great success. Next, supplementary 1. Think to win. Answer the following. How does Rucha differ from her sister? Answer. Rucha is overprotective of herself. She never did things rashly. Even in running and playing, she would be conscious of her movements. But Seema, her younger sister, was bold and was ready to take any risk. Second question. Spring feels as a runner and they call her PT Usha. Why did they call her so? Answer. As the runner runs very fast like PT Usha, they call her so. Third question. Describe the qualities of the new PT instructor, Mr. Prakash. Answer. The new PT instructor was very enthusiastic about sports and drove the children hard, praising them, scolding and correcting them. But most of time he encourages and advises them a lot. Fourth question. What words were ringing in Rucha's ears when she was running in the relay? Answer. When Rucha was running in the relay, her PT Sa's words came to her mind. Think to win were the words ringing in her ears. Fifth question. What did Rucha finally realize about herself? Answer. She realized that she had overcome her hesitations and denials. She could win whenever she chose to do so. Next, appreciation type of questions. First one. What was she afraid of? Answer. She was afraid of losing her balance and that she may fall down. Second question. What was the boy closely following her? Answer. No, the boy was not closely following her. Next question. Who was teaching whom? Answer. Vishnu was teaching Rucha. Next question. What was he teaching? Answer. He was teaching Rucha to ride the bicycle. Next question. Who does the word you refer to? Answer. You refers to Rucha the winner. Last question. What quality of the speaker is reviled? Answer. The speaker's attitude to take her loss sportively and the good heart to prize the opponent's ability. Okay children, I hope all are watching this video class and PDF link. Today's assignment. Prepare the examination thoroughly. Read and write given question answer and book exercise in your English classwork note and English book. Write in cursive style and neat presentation. Follow the instructions. Watch the YouTube video link till you understand. Any incomplete exercise, you do it. Complete the given assignment and report on time without fail. Take care children. Thank you. Best wishes.